Attention property investors. Before buying off-the-plan apartments, there's one key factor you must check. Vacancy rates. What's a vacancy rate? It's the percentage of rental properties currently empty in an area. High vacancy rates mean fewer tenants, lower rents, and potentially months of lost income. Imagine your apartment sitting empty for weeks, forcing you to slash your rent just to attract tenants. Now picture buying in an area with low vacancy rates. Your property leases quickly at strong rental prices, delivering consistent income. How to check? Use tools like SQM Research to find suburbs with vacancy rates below 2%, a sign of high rental demand. Fact: in 2023, inner city Brisbane had vacancy rates below 1.5%, ensuring investors strong returns. Oversupplied suburbs saw vacancy rates above 5%, forcing owners into costly price cuts. Want to protect your investment and make smarter decisions? I've created the 20 things you must know before purchasing off the plan. Comment below to get your free copy now.